Binary searching. Binary searching is a technique to search an element in a list of items. The prerequisite for performing a binary search is that the list should be sorted, that is, either in ascending or descending order. Keeps on dividing the list of items into two equal halves. Compare the element to be searched with the item present at the middle position of list of items. If element is found, then returns success, else discards one half and continues the process in remaining one half. It drastically reduces the number of comparisons and time required to search an item in a large list of elements. Let us now see how actually binary searching works. Let's assume that we have a list of items in ascending order of items. First of all, we are going to initialize start at 0, which is the 0th index position of the list of items. End will be initialized at length of list minus 1, which will be the last position of an index in the list of items. Mid position of the list is obtained by following computation. Mid is equal to start plus end divided by 2, and here we are going to obtain integer value. Now the first step in this algorithm, element to be searched in the list of items is obtained from the user. Element is equal to input value at runtime. Step 2, the processing of the program starts in a loop, and the processing involves searching of the item. Step 3, element to be searched is compared with the item present at mid position of the list of items. Step 4, there are three possibilities after comparison. The first possibility is if the element to be searched is equal to the item present at the mid position of list of items, then the mid position is returned as a result, indicating that the element is found at mid position. The loop is terminated and the searching stops with a success. The second possibility is if the element is greater than the item present at the mid position, then new start index and mid position is obtained. The new start index is calculated as mid plus 1. Left half of the list of items is discarded. Mid is calculated as start plus end divided by 2, and again the floor integer value is obtained. Go to step 2. That means the processing of the loop continues. The third possibility is if the element is lesser than the item present at the mid position, then new end index and mid position is obtained. Now end is calculated as mid minus 1, and this discards the right half of the list of items. Mid is calculated as start plus end divided by 2, and again the floor integer value is obtained. Go to step 2 and the processing continues. Step 5. If end becomes equal to start, then terminate the loop and return failure as the item is not found in the list of items. Now let's see how binary searching program works. This program is without recursion. The program is made in Python programming language, but it can be implemented in any other programming language like C, C++, Java, or any other. In this program, we have created a list of items which is arranged in sorted order, ascending order. Here is the list of indices. These are the indices of this list of items starting from 0 and ending at 9. Now the start index is initialized at 0 and the end index is initialized at length of list minus 1, that is 9. The mid is computed. It is computed as start plus end divided by 2, and we obtain floor division, floor integer division. So the mid is placed at 4th index position. Now the element that we need to search is, let's assume it is 110. This 110 is first of all compared with 89. 89 is the value which is placed at the mid position in this list. Now we can see that 110 is greater than 89. So start is reinitialized at mid plus 1, that is at index value 5. Now this results in discarding the left half of the list, and we need to search only in the right half of this list. In this right half, the start is initialized at 5th position, that is 4 plus 1, and the value of mid was 4. The end remains the same. A new mid position is calculated, and it is 5 plus 9, that is 14 divided by 2, and that is 7. So mid is placed at 7. Now again, the element that we want to search, it is compared with the value present at the mid position. The value is 97, and we can see that 110 is greater than 97. So again, the start will be reinitialized at mid plus 1. Now the remaining left half of this right portion is discarded, that is 92, 95, 97. These three elements are discarded, and our search continues in the right half of this portion. The start is initialized at mid plus 1, so it is placed at 8. End remains at its position, that is 9th, and a new mid value is calculated, that is 8 plus 9, 17 divided by 2. Again, it is floor division, so mid is placed at 8. Now the element that we were searching for is compared with the element present at mid position, and at this time this is 110, and we have the match. So our element is found, and the program returns the position successfully. Now this is how a binary program works. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching. I request you to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.